Alzheimer's disease is a terrible disease that affects around 50 million people worldwide. But before we can find a solution for this terrible disease, we must understand what it is. Alzheimer's is a neurological condition that affects a person's memory, ability to think, and their ability to perform everyday tasks. There are many causes of this disease, such as an abnormal amount of amyloid plaques, which are just a buildup of proteins that eat away at your brain cells that eventually lead you to die and lose all your memory before you die. So, here's some facts about Alzheimer's. 1 in 10 Americans over the age of 65 are impacted by this disease, and also 1 in 3 seniors in the U.S. that die have some form of it. Personally, I'm connected to Alzheimer's because a family friend of mine passed away a few years ago due to the disease, and I just think we need to spread awareness on how to solve it. On August 3rd, 2023, Dr. Marius Wernig and his team at Stanford University published a paper that brings hope to the scientific community and how we can solve Alzheimer's in the future. In this study, Dr. Wernig and his team took the mice with a defective TREM2 function and performed hematopoietic and progenitor stem cell transplants with mice with the normal TREM2 function. Over time, they found that the transplanted cells reconstituted themselves into the new mice's bloodstream, causing the microglia to cause this defective TREM2 to activate again. Because of this, they saw that the restorated TREM2 helped cause a reduction in the deposits of amyloid plaques seen in the defective mice. Although this study was a success, this would be very risky in humans because in order to transplant these blood cells into the human system, they would have to undergo a highly radioactive chemotherapy, which could be a risk to the human.